Listen carefully. Lust isn't just ruining your focus, it's rewiring your brain every single day. It's stealing your energy, your ambition, your self-respect. And the worst part, you don't even notice it happening. Every time you give in, you trade strength for seconds of pleasure. You trade confidence for guilt. You trade clarity for chaos. And the truth is simple. Lust doesn't make you a man, it makes you a slave. Number one, understand what lust really is. It's not desire. Desire builds families, dreams, purpose. Lust is an illusion, a shortcut, a fake reward that leaves you emptier every time. It convinces your brain you achieved something while you actually did nothing. Only lost energy that could have built your real life. Number two, you don't defeat lust with willpower. Willpower fades. Late at night, alone, tired, bored, your brain will always choose the fastest dopamine. That's not because you're weak, it's because you've trained your brain that way. So stop blaming yourself. Start rebuilding yourself. You don't rise to your potential, you fall to your habits. Number three, remove the triggers before you fight the urges. Your phone, your late night scrolling, your just one more look. Those aren't accidents, they're patterns. So break the pattern, block the sites, unfollow the faces, turn off the suggestions, clean your feed like you're cleaning your life, make relapse difficult and success automatic. Number four, replace, don't resist. The moment the urge hits, move, stand up, walk. Do 20 push-ups, drink water, breathe. Don't sit there fighting your own mind. You will lose. Change your state and your mind will follow. Number five, ask yourself the question no one asks. What am I actually running from? Loneliness, stress, boredom, pain, numbness. Lust is not the problem, it's the escape. When you deal with what's hurting you inside, lust loses its power outside. Now imagine this version of you, waking up with a clear mind, focused, disciplined, unshakable. No more guilt, no more hiding, no more scrolling your dignity away. When you kill lust, your confidence comes back, your drive comes back, your masculinity returns. Your life becomes yours again. You're not broken, you're just untrained.